Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and just to let you know, I'm in a great mood today. Great mood today. It's a fantastic day. Why? Because I have something new to play with, and go on and like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. Support my channel so you can find out when new videos come up, when I go live, see about Beauties and the Beats, all that good stuff. And it's all for free. Ooh, free. Thanks, Rhonda. You're welcome. Anytime. So today I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Pastels Lilac palette. And if you are not familiar with this, I got this from BoxyCharm this month. And I have swatched a couple of the shimmers, but it is very beautiful and I cannot wait to do a look with it. So I'm going to do some more swatches. So that's the first three. And then these are so beautiful. And a lot of these are very light and shimmery. And it's going to make for a really beautiful look. And my hair, my purple's fading so nicely into a lavender. That is the cool thing about getting a dark color dyed in your hair. It fades out really pretty. And it looks something like this. Hit it. So that is great. Let's get into doing a looky look. A little looky-loo for you. I am going to start off with this middle color here in my crease. And it is beautiful. It's a great transition color. And it's really going to set the tone for this eye look. Oh, super pretty. It's much pinker, much more pink on the eye than it looks in the palette. So we've got it started. Let's go into this really light lavender here. That is going on beautifully. It is very pigmented. It is pretty softly pressed because there's a lot of kick up in the pan. But I don't mind a little kick up. I prefer kick up to fall out. This is going to be great. I don't do a lot of pastels. Normally, I'm not a big pastel lover. But this palette's so cute. How can I refuse? I can't. I'm going to go into this peach shade and go lightly under the brow bone. And that's super cute. I'm going to use a different brush and go into a different brush. I'm going to use this awesome Hank & Henry Liz brush. I'm going to go into, oh, so hard to choose. I'm going to go into this multi-color shimmer. Put that on the eyelid. Can you see the shine? It's so good. Well, speaking of shine, I forgot to put on a highlighter. But I do have highlighter on underneath my foundation, which helps. All right, that went on my lid. Let's go into this darker purple. No, this other lavender, the smoky lavender. Not a lot. It's a little more purple than the super light lavender I put in. I'm going to blend that in the crease. And it's so pretty. I'm missing darker colors though, just to let you know. This is very, very pretty washes of color. I'm going to hit this purple now. And it's just not doing what I normally like to do. I like to deepen that a little bit, but maybe it's just going to be a pretty wash of color kind of look. Just do a little different. Nothing wrong with changing it up, Rhonda. Nothing wrong. So that's really pretty. I'm going to do some more with the shimmers. I'm going to take this icy shimmer and put it on the inside of the lid. Blend it towards that center. This is giving me really retro look vibes. It's so cute. I think that I'm ready to do some liner and lashes. And it does, you know, because it really is going to make my eyeliner pop. And I'm going to be using Star Gem Cosmetics Osteria liner. And it's hard for me to do a wing, but I'm doing it. And that was looking very retro, very cool. And I'm so wheezy. I hope I'm not getting bronchitis. I haven't had bronchitis in months, and I usually get it a lot this time of year. So I'm going to use my Marc Jacobs mascara. Oh, this is so pretty. Got a little mascara on my eyeshadow. That makes a really beautiful, sweet look, which is completely different than my little sassy looks I usually do, but this is great. And I am going to do a purple lip with KVD, and this color is called Lux. No, Love, L-U-V, Love. And that really just makes this color, this look pop. And so that is it. I've enjoyed playing with the pastel palette from Huda Booty. Huda Booty. Have a great day or day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you real soon.